So I got a Gheenoe in the garage, going fishing tomorrow. And I just got to thinking, you know, I said I was done doing projects on it, but I'm starting to lighten my load when I go fishing. So I thought about maybe some sort of tackle system right here. But I had a bunch of PVC laying around, so let's see what I can come up with. So the basic plan that I'm going to start with, and it's going to evolve from there. It's going to be a temporary tackle storage that I can take in and out of the boat whenever the hell I want to. Because I'm only going to be bringing about 3 of these with me when I go out fishing from now on. I'm taking a big tackle box, lighten up the weight in the boat. But if I run the tees across there, and I do 3 of them to be 6 of them, the tackle storage will slide right in that way. But I'm going to need to build another one up here to support the front of it. Put another tee right there, so the tackle will slide right in. It'll slide all the way through. It will slide all the way through. I know just looking at PVC laying on the bottom of the boat doesn't look like a whole hell of a lot, but it's my thought process. So imagine, if you would, these are going to be my vertical posts that the tackle will slide into. I can't hold it wide enough, but that will slide in that way. And it's going to rest. Probably have to run a piece across just to make it, you know, even more. But what's to stop it from sliding all the way through? Well, I'm going to run a 3rd piece. Put 90 on here, over to a T pointing back, over to another 90. And this piece will run down the center behind it as a stop. And then I'll cut it and tee it forward for another section. Yeah, either whatever's cheaper. If the 1/2-inch Schedule 40 PVC is cheaper, we're going to go build it out of that. If the 3/4 CPVC is cheaper, we're going to build it out of that. I got extra pipe here, so that's the shopping list. We're going to hit the hardware store and see how it comes out. I'm sure it's going to change and mold as it goes, but we shall see. I might pick up some bungees too while I'm there. Keep them from sliding forward. Maybe rig up another across the top with a bungee. Something like that. But let's hit the hardware store and see what we can come up with. Alright. So just got back from Home Depot. Grabbed 2 lengths of the 1/2-inch Schedule 40. Pack a bunch of cords. I'll use that for other stuff too, but and PVC cement and all my ends. There we go. All out was 60 bucks. So short lengths here. That'll be good. That one's all messed up, so we'll just use that one. I I have a general plan, but I don't have a plan. I'm kind of piecing along as I go. Start right there, see if that's tall enough. That's about perfect for that side. This side, because it's deeper, longer, the hole tapers in this way. We're custom cutting everything. Beautiful. So there's my right and my left side to start with. See, I'm going to attach it in here temporarily, but so we need a piece to connect that. There. That's just a little bit too long. It's all right. I'm good. I'm good with it being too long. It's making it too short. It's the problem. I don't have a pipe stretcher. There we go. Perfect. And then once I get to the top, I'm going to go back down, create one for this so it won't slide back. I'm going to work it as I go. Build the rack up, then I'll work on doing the front. Almost got 2 in there. You want to go 2, 4, and 5 on there, but we need a T off to go down to the bottom. So Boom. Now we're going to run off the backside in 90 all the way down. Maybe we'll tee into it here as well. This will create the backstop for it. Yeah, I don't need anything below that, so I'm gonna do the same thing here as I did here. So for the support, I'm gonna come out and loop under it. See how that works out. There. Boom. Problem is, I run out of elbows. I underestimated the number of elbows because I wasn't counting on this. I have a lot of extra T's, so I think we're just going to use those. Shit, I might just replace these with the T, so it looks still uniform going all the way up. And then that, boom, slides right into there. Yeah, dog. No, that rests on there. That's fine. That's fine, man. So there's kind of the pre-finished product. I gotta do a little more touch up on it. I gotta shorten these up just a hair. These two here, these two crosses. But I overestimated by 2 elbows. That's it. So I needed 8 instead of 10. But also added. I just drilled a little small hole up top here. Add a little bungee. So that's there. If you measure properly, 1 10-foot length of pipe will do it. I had a lot of screw ups because I was engineering as I was going, but 1 10-foot length of pipe should be perfect to build that. So now I got to take it all apart and glue it up. That's what we're doing now. It ain't pretty. I made a holy mess gluing this thing together, but it's together. Because I did such a horrible job putting it together, I'll take a little Rust-Oleum. And that is going to come out a lot better. A few more coats of paint and I'll show you the final product. Alright, so there is the final product. Looks a whole lot better. Wish I had some white, but black will get it done. So we'll take our slide in there like that. Alright, two more there. I had two more. Slide in there just like that. And I got this little bungee. Boom. So there it is. Tell me what you think. Got a better idea? Can build a better mousetrap? Let me know. This is just an idea to get you thinking. Maybe you can make one for yourself. Hey, smash that like and subscribe button so you don't miss me on the water. See you there.